If you want to update an account using Zoho CRM in N8n, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a great way to keep your CRM data clean, current, and consistent without wasting time doing everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple automation tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8n. This could be an existing automation or a new workflow that you want to connect with Zoho CRM. Once your workflow is open, you're ready to add the correct action node. Next, go to the Nodes panel and choose Zoho CRM. You can search for it directly if you don't see it right away. Once you select the Zoho CRM node, add it to your workflow so you can start configuring the update action. Now, from the available options, choose Update an Account. This tells N8n that you want to make changes to an existing account record inside Zoho CRM rather than creating a new one. After that, configure what you want to update. This is where you map the fields you want to change, such as the account name, phone number, website, industry, or any other account details available in your setup. Make sure the data you enter matches the account record you want to update so the correct information is applied. Once your fields are configured, review everything carefully before running the workflow. That way, you can make sure the update action is targeting the right account and the right values are being sent to Zoho CRM. And that's it. You've now set up an account update using Zoho CRM in N8n. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more N8n and automation guides.